are going to go grocery shopping in Ralph's and Trader Joe's, and it just so happens that these two stores are next to each other, side by side, where I live. So I am so stoked to bring you along, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to find healthy food for your parrots. So let's go. I'm going to take you on this journey. I'm so excited you're coming with me, and let's go buy some good stuff. Here we go. First, I'm going to get a coffee because that's what somebody has to do that has 10 parrots, works full-time as a hairstylist and as a YouTuber. So I live on coffee, and Starbucks happens to be in Ralph, so I'm going to go for it. Thanks. It's good. First up is water. I always get 6 gallons of water. I have filtered water in my house, but I also like to grab an extra 6 bottles of water. Next stop is vinegar. I love using distilled white vinegar on the cages, cleaning the bird room, washing their dishes. It's chemical free, it's safe for your parrots. Next stop is dish soap. I love this brand, Ecos. It's wonderful. It comes in grapefruit and lavender. I'm highly allergic to lavender, so grapefruit it is. And I like to stick this in a bowl of hot water and wash my birds' dishes, and I'll also add a little bit of white distilled vinegar. Okay, now we got all that stuff out of the way. Now we get into the fun stuff, the produce. The reason why I like to get some of my groceries at Ralph's is because they have an awesome organic section, and so I will get some of the vegetables and fruit here, and then what I don't get here, I will get it at Trader Joe's. So here we go. And the quality of the produce is always amazing. It lasts way longer than any other store, I think. So I always have a nice selection. Oh my goodness. Organic Red Chard is definitely one of the favorites in the bird room. And their favorite is the stems. I don't know if you've seen some of my other YouTube videos or on Facebook, and it shows my birds just chowing down on the stems. So I'll usually get 2. I don't want to get that one because it doesn't look that great. This one's better. I'm going to shake it off a little bit. Organic. So I always try to buy organic. Most of the time, sometimes you can't always, but I try my best to always get organic. So beets. My bird's favorite, once again, are the stems. But beets have so much nutrition in them, so if you can get beets, get them for your birds. Give it a try. They will love it. Red radishes. Oh my goodness. My birds love red radishes. I'll chop them up, and this I will serve fresh. I will not cook it. Broccoli, another favorite in the bird room. I like to blanch these guys when they come big like this, and I'll blanch the little top parts, the flowers, and then the bottom I will give to my lovebird and my parakeet. They love to chew that up, so never throw the stems out because the stems have so much nutrition. Bell peppers, my guys love these bell peppers, and I will serve these bell peppers in the morning. I'll serve them fresh, and then at night I will cook the big bell peppers, and I get the big bell peppers from Trader Joe's. But these are gorgeous. They're organic. My birds love to pick the seeds in the inside, so they're wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. You have access to bell peppers, get them for your birds. Yams, sweet potatoes, organic. If you can get them, get them. I wash them. I'll poke holes after I cut the tips off, wrap them in a wet paper towel, and microwave them for about 2 minutes. It's depending on the size. My birds love these, and I'll mix them with quinoa, and they make a wonderful, wonderful meal at night. And I sometimes like to blanch a little bit of broccoli and mix it in with that and quinoa, and it's a wonderful meal. So if you can get them, get them. Love organic carrots, and I love to get them with the tops, and that is what's so awesome about Ralph's is they have organic carrots with tops. They are gorgeous, so gorgeous. We're gonna stick them in the basket. And then another thing I like to get, I'll use those guys to cook at night because they just have more flavor, they're more nutritious. And then I'll use these guys during the day before I go to work because it's just so easy to throw them in their fresh fruit and vegetable bowl in the morning. So this is what I'll do. I'll just split them in half, and this is how I serve the baby carrots. So I serve them in the morning to my guys. That's what a cucumber looks like. It's Thomas's favorite. I serve it fresh, raw, and cucumbers are refreshing and good for your parrots. I love to cook with ginger, and what I'll do is I will stick ginger in boiling water if I'm cooking quinoa or rice, or if I'm blanching their vegetables. I'll put a little bit goes a long ways, and I'll put it in the boiling water. That way it'll add flavor to your parrot's food. So it's wonderful, it's healthy for your birds, and it adds some delicious taste to their meal. And that's what ginger root looks like if you guys have never seen ginger root before. It's a funny looking root. Onions are toxic for your parrots, and then also avocados are toxic for your parrots. So no, you do not want to feed your parrots avocado. They're bad. Watermelon. My African gray loves watermelon. We will use maybe a quarter of this watermelon. The rest will probably be thrown away. But it just makes her so happy, so we're sticking it in the pile. Because when that little gray sees that watermelon, it makes her day. It's so sweet. I'm going to get here at Ralph's are berries. So I always go to the berry section. I check it out. I look for the best price. It's usually blackberries, blueberries, or raspberries. Those are Puffy's favorites. So the blackberries are a really good price, but they're not organic, so we're gonna skip those.
How much are the blackberries?
The blackberries are $2.99, but they're not organic.
It is a good price.
It is a good price, right?
Check Trader Joe's.
That's where I'm gonna head next.
I usually check the two before I make my final decision.
I don't. I'm gonna get.
Those over there at 79 cents a piece are exceptional.
Holy smokes! I'm gonna go over there after this. So I'm gonna get blueberries.
Working here?
No, I don't work here, but I'm vlogging. Oh, those are gorgeous.
Aren't they?
I won't put
79
your
cents
face.
only.
Wow.
Very cheap.
I don't work here.
I'm an expert on all of
I'm here all the time though.
It's firm. That's a beautiful of the red onion.
Oh, I wish I could put their faces in it. It's pretty funny. So I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm getting blueberries. We're going with the blueberries for. Okay, we're ready to hit Trader Joe's. We're in Trader Joe's, and the reason why I love Trader Joe's is because they make it easy. So I always get 2 bags of the organic spring mix. My birds love this, and then it's like you can just go down the row and grab everything you need, and it's just perfectly packaged. Their section, their sugar snap peas. These guys too are non-organic, but I get them anyway because it's what they've got here, and they're great. Also wonderful for protein. So that's sugar snap, if no beef, and I buy a lot of these. Bailey, my black-headed kite, loves them. Organic zucchini squash. We have yellow squash. That's not organic, but they don't have organic here today, so I'm just going to get it anyways because baby loves it. My yellow nape Amazon. Beans are so important for your parrots for protein, so I'm going to get these as well. Love.
These are delicious.
They're delicious? Yeah, I love them.
Yeah, I'll get these instead of the English one.
My parrot loves them.
Really?
Yeah.
Isn't that great? Well, they are tasty.
They are tasty. So this is a Persian cucumber. It's organic. Thomas's favorite. So I already bought a big cucumber earlier. I'm going to get these guys because he loves them. Like Casey, how she loves her watermelon. Thomas lights up when he sees a cucumber. So how can I not get those? I'm adding it to the pile. Best organic bell peppers.
Yeah.
These guys are gorgeous, and what's so cool about bell peppers is my guys also love the seeds inside the bell peppers, so that is a fun treat. And the big organic bell peppers, I'll usually lightly blanch them and use it in their hot meal at night. So, and I'll use the smaller bell peppers that I bought earlier in their fresh fruit and vegetables in the morning. Black figs, and they are organic. My birds love figs. So what I'll do is I will take one fig, I'll chop it up, and I'll stick it in a green salad for them, mix it around, and they love it. Love it, love it, love it. So figs are good. They're important to buy that's organic are apples, because they put a wax coating on the apples that are not organic. So I always get organic with apples. I just bought a bag last week, and the bag will last me about a month, and I won't use the whole bag because a little bit of apples goes a long ways with parrots because they have a lot of sugar. So you don't want to use too much, you just want to use it for flavor. And sometimes I will mix apples in with a salad if there's something I want them to eat. I will put something that they love with something that might not be so exciting for them, mix it around, and the not so exciting vegetable will grab that flavor of the exciting fruit or vegetable. So that, in a lot of my videos, I've showed you different types of pasta, and I'm so excited to bring you here so you can actually see it. So red lentils, black bean pasta, two of my favorite pastas. Also, Trader Joe's has brown rice pasta, and then they also have organic pasta. Now, I stay away from anything that has gluten, so I will usually go with a quinoa pasta or the red lentil or the black bean pasta. Is their organic red quinoa and then the tricolor quinoa. So both gluten-free. This you have to cook, but it's so easy. You boil it for like 10 minutes and it's done. The directions are so easy. You'll love it. So those are for the days that you have a little bit more time and you want to make them a nice hot meal. So this is where it's at. I love this section. It's definitely one of my favorite sections at Trader Joe's, and they have a huge variety of things that are gluten-free, flour-free, and full of protein. The red lentil and the black bean pasta and the quinoa, full of protein. Your parrots will love it. Now we're in the frozen section, and I like to mix a little bit of frozen with fresh vegetables in the morning to keep them cool through for a few hours anyways. So I can leave it a little longer. So I always get the organic peas, and my guys love these guys, so I stock up. And then I will get one organic corn. Corn is not even close to the nutrition that peas are, but my birds love it, and so I'll kind of mix it in so it causes them to dig. Love the rice medley. No sodium, which is so important, you guys, when you're buying pre-cooked rice or quinoa that's frozen. This is another product you'll see in a lot of my videos. It's the Super Seed and Grain Ancient Blend. I love it. That's what it is. That's what it's called. And it has just so many amazing ingredients in it. Maybe you can see that. So I love that one. And then also they have chia seeds. So this is also something that's really good for your parrot, but everything in moderation, meaning just a little bit, just sprinkle just a little bit on top of their food just to entice them. Another thing that I like here as well are their rolled oats. They're gluten-free, and I will use that. I'll sprinkle it on their food sometimes to add a little bit of texture and flavor. And Trader Joe's makes it so easy. So this is pretty much a shopping trip. It's crazy. So that's pretty much our shopping trip. Now I gotta grab something for myself. Hi guys, I am back in the bird room, my favorite room in the entire house, and Bailey's upset at me because I was gone. Even though I was grocery shopping for them, I still get punished. That's just what parrots do. They're upset at you when you're not here, no matter what you're doing, even if it's for them. I don't blame her. She didn't know where I was. If you found this video fun and educational, please like and subscribe to our channel, Parrot Playhouse. Thank you for watching. Say bye, Bailey. Bye. I'm gonna have to give her extra treats to make up for this.